Hello guys, good evening. This is Rajiv here, and today I'm gonna be unpacking a product from Amazon, and I'm talking this time in English to prove the whole world, to say the whole world, to convey the whole world, basically, to show how the Amazon India and even probably the Amazon.com is going the worst way possible. Okay, in India we have several other websites like Amazon and Flipkart. eBay was there. Okay, and Flipkart is going really bad. I stopped using it, Flipkart, about close to like say 1.5 years ago. The reason is, their quality is being destroyed every single day. Okay, right now the Flipkart is one of the worst websites, I would say. And right now Amazon is also going the same path. Okay, they are also traveling the same path, like just like the Flipkart, they're going the worst way. Okay, proving the worst side. Okay, I'll tell you with an example how they're going bad. Okay, I recently purchased a product which is going to be a sprayer, essentially water washer, and that turned out to be defective, and I had to return back. I spent almost close to 2,600 for that, and eventually, the sprayer worked good, but obviously the charger did not work. It was dead condition, and they say it is quality checked. So that's how the sellers from the Amazon work. It's not the problem with the Amazon, but it's the problem with the seller. But right now, why I'm conveying, why I'm accusing Amazon is because, not only the sellers, it's just not only the sellers problem, but it's also should be the Amazon's problem to check the quality again with the so-called sellers. Okay, I'll just show you how it's going to be. Okay, so the product which I purchased from Amazon this time, which I've already purchased with the same seller previously, is this. Okay, this is going to be an earbuds which I use during night time to avoid noises. Okay, so this I actually purchased from the same seller last time. Okay, and the product pricing is 80, which is 79. I'll show you. Okay, wait. So this is going to be the product. Okay, if you see, the total order price is 109, one item, which is inclusive of all the taxes and everything. That's what it says. Okay, and the product pricing is 79. Okay, so this was the product which I purchased. If I show you it, I'll show you again. So I'll put like here, and if you see, I've already made the purchase from the same seller several times. Okay, so this is the purchase which I made previously in 16th November 2023, and this is the purchase I made like a couple of days ago, which has been delivered today to me. So today is actually, the date is 7th of March. Okay, so that's what I made, and that's the product which I purchased. Okay, now I'll show you actually what exactly happened to me. So this is the product. Okay, when you open it, it shows two products here. Okay, two pairs, but at the top it says one pair. Okay, that means Me Too Soft silicone noise reductions or whatever, and it shows one pair multicolor. Okay, and it shows two pairs here. In the bottom it also shows number of items 2. So is it a pair or it is an item? I don't know. That is itself the confusing one. So I thought there'll be two items in this. Okay, I don't know, it's a pair of 2. I mean, it's a pair of 2. So this pair of 2 is one item, or the pair, that means one bird is one item. I don't know how they are mentioning it. Okay, so technically if you speak item 2, that means there should be 2, 1, 1, which is 2. That's what is marked as 89, inclusive of shipping, which is 30. Should be coming to closer to the, if you show, I'll show you the shipping as well, which is, yeah, the 30 rupees is the delivery, which is close to 120. Okay, 120 whatsoever. Now I'll show you what happened to me here. So this is actually the thing which you can understand. Now here there should be two items inside. I have not opened the product. You can see it's completely sealed. Okay, I have not opened it. Now let me open it. If you see, it's completely sealed. I have not opened it anywhere. If you can check it again. Now I'll open it and show you how many products can be. To my knowledge, it's only one inside. Why they are confusing the sellers, like so the buyers? See, only one item. That too I received black, which I don't like, unfortunately. Okay, if you can see, there's only one item inside. You can see it very clearly. That is only one pair. Now why I'm mentioning two items here? you should mention at least one pair or two pairs. Now number of item is 2 here, which is 89, and here you're mentioning one pair, but in the picture you're mentioning 2. Okay, I don't understand what they really are trying to say. They're completely confusing the customers here. Okay, so that's the problem with the Amazon right now. They're not doing the quality check. Why I'm accusing Amazon is because now this is a confusing state. Okay, they're mentioning items is 2. Now I'll speak with the customer support. Okay, if it's possible, then I'll add with you the what I spoke with the customer support, what they are trying to tell to me. But in the meantime, this is the thing, guys. Okay, so yes, this is what is happening with Amazon. Okay, be very careful with Amazon, guys. These guys are completely going bad, or the very bad way, if you can see. Okay, now I'm completely confused. I'm gonna send it back probably, but the problem with this is it is non-returnable. That's the only problem with the product here. So let's see if they take it back. I have mentioned already with the what do you call the so-called sprayer, the water washer. I returned it back because it was defective, but it was non-returnable, so I returned it back. But this time I'm not sure that they will take it back or not. If they don't take it back, then probably have to throw it away, because black thing don't work for me. I don't like black color. Number one. Number two, there's only like one pair. Okay, they say multicolor. Okay, last time I received green, this time I'm receiving black, so multicolor is fine. But here they are telling me like it's unreturnable. Where I can tell you, okay, it's not mentioned here. I'll add with the page called shown in the website here. Here it's not mentioned anywhere, it's returnable or non-returnable. Okay, so that's the problem with Amazon, guys. So that's what I wanted to convey with you guys, like how the Amazon is going in the bad way. Okay, so tell me what your thought is. Okay, உங்களோட தாட்டை கீழே வந்து தெரிவிங்க மக்களே. இதுதான் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு அமேசானில் ரீசெண்ட் டைம்ஸில். ரொம்ப அமேசானும் கொஞ்சம் மோசமாக போயிட்டு தான் இருக்குது. தெரியல, இப்போ வந்து நான் கஸ்டமர் சப்போர்ட் கிட்ட பேசி தான் வரணும், என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னு தெரியல. So I'll update you in the description of what happened in the customer support part. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Take care and bye makale.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Amazon customer service.
Hi.
My name is. Can I help you today?
Can you just connect to me someone who knows Tamil, probably?
Sure, sir. Please stay on the line.
Or okay, that's fine. You can help me out. Let me tell you. I think you know like which is the product I'm talking about.
Yeah, is it regarding earplugs you just ordered, sir, and you placed for return request, right?
Yes, I placed a return request. Just want to know one query. Okay, that's the reason I called you. Okay, so can you just open the product page and tell me how many products should be there in this item, like in this order basically? I think I placed like I paid like 89 plus 30. So how many products should be there? Like how many earbuds should be there? Like
checking, sir.
Yeah, it is one pair. It is given. So how many should be there basically?
One second, sir.
Yeah.
It is showing as one pair only, but I'll check in the product page.
Okay.
One pair. The quantity is 2, sir. So basically 18. You will be charged 89 into 2.
89. No,
that is 180 rupees.
No. I paid only like 89 plus 30.
Checking, sir.
Yeah.
Pending refund amount. You have paid a total of 75 rupees for the earplugs and 25 rupees for the shipping charges. So your total of 100 rupees and a tax of 18 rupees. So your total order comes down to 119 rupees.
Yes, correct, right? So, but how much will be the products inside? Like how many earbuds basically? How many pairs of earbuds? Can you tell me that?
I think it should be 2 pairs, sir, but it's not reflecting. Okay, once I'll just connect with my specialist team and I'll let you know, sir.
Yeah, please. Can you connect? Yeah.
Yes, sir, yes.
I want to know like who. Guys, you could have listened. They're confused.
Thank you so much for staying on hold, sir. I just confirmed it from our specialist team. There's only one pair, sir.
Okay, then why is in Amazon page it's mentioned as 2 pack Can you just recheck?
No. It is showing us the number of items is 2, which basically means that one left and one right. So
Okay.
that makes a
No.
pair.
You just open the page basically, Amazon page. Can you just open it again?
Yes, sir.
In the picture, what is this given?
So number of items, right?
No. I'm talking about the picture page,
Okay.
page. I'm talking about the product.
Yeah, the image, right?
Product image. What is it? What is this given in the top right?
The image is showing as 2 pairs, sir.
2-pack, right?
Yes.
So how can I take
2-pack.
it? It is a 2-pack or single pack. How can a customer can understand it? Whose problem is this? Is it a problem with the seller or is it a problem in Amazon?
It's a problem from the seller only, sir. We'll definitely report this issue.
Okay.
And we'll ask the seller to change the description in the website also, so that this will not be repeated.
Okay, fine. So it is problem from the seller side, right? Not from your side, correct?
Not from Amazon. So they are basically putting it on Amazon website. The seller is only doing this.
Okay.
So definitely report the seller, and we'll ask the seller to change it as soon as possible.
Okay. Fine, thank you. That's the thing I wanted to know. Just want to get clarified. That's the reason I asked you. Okay.
Okay, sir. And as I can check, the return pickup is also initiated, and it will be done on 8th, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thanks for the update.
Yeah. Thank you so much for calling, sir. Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Bye. Yeah.